They watch one tutorial, they guess on a product, they list it, they wait, and they think that's it. They think they're done. Not realizing they most likely have already failed quietly. Not because the model is broken, it's because they're making decisions with no data, no system, and no AI doing actual effective work for them in the background. So today we're diving into Doba, an AI-powered dropshipping platform with 20 years of supplier data packed into it. And it has AI tools that do the sourcing for you. I'll show you exactly what it does and what it doesn't, and which growth bundle actually makes sense at the stage you're at right now. Don't think of Doba as your common everyday dropshipping website or a supplier directory. Think of it as an AI-powered operations layer for your dropshipping store. You connect your store and tell it what you're selling, and it handles the sourcing, listing, and product discovery without you spending hours hunting for suppliers or guessing what you're going to sell, because the AI actually is doing the product research for you and helping you out in the background. And they've added in a bunch of new AI tools that we're going to look at in this video. Tools like Doba are perfect for solopreneurs and solo creators that want to start something on the side or want to finally kick off that e-commerce project. In this video, we're going to learn three things. First, can Doba's AI actually find products worth testing and help beginners and pros starting from square one? Second, how to use Doba's tools and AI features to fully optimize your e-commerce business for success. And third, which growth bundle should you pick based on your current stage? Because Doba has 4 tiers right now, and choosing the wrong one for some of you could be like leaving money on the table. Make sure to check out Doba's mid-year Growth Carnival through the link in the description. This is a good time to see which Doba bundle fits where you are now and is going to help you scale and grow your business. Check the description or the pinned comments, sign up for Doba, and follow along with the video. Once you've logged in, this is their main dashboard, and the great thing about Doba is there's so much value laid out here on the main page. And these are the types of features and tools that are going to help anyone get started, scale their business, and run it the right way. So let's break it down. Over here at the top left, we have the all products section selected. Down here, we have the categories. And below this, we have product research tools here that are going to help you with the processing time, the delivery time, the fulfillment rate, the refund rate. You have the free shipping options, the new arrival options, the prepaid label, just a bunch of different options that are going to help you not only find products, but get suppliers, set them up in your store, get everything started real quick. You can see where the products ship from, where they ship to, the processing times. This just makes it really easy to find products. But what if we wanted to find winners? They also have this AI picker, which we're going to dive into in a second, but I want to look at this TikTok shop selection real quick. It's going to find winning products for you that are working on TikTok. It tells you the inventory, it lets you know where it's shipping from, how long it takes, and it gives you the option to quickly just click here on list a TikTok shop, and that will be added there. Definitely simplifying the process of finding winning products and adding them to your store. Then we have Temu selections, handpicked items from Temu. They're giving you products that are known to sell on Temu and giving you the option to add them to your inventory list right away for the store that you can literally launch using Doba. So let's come over here to the Video Hub. And I like this feature a lot. I've talked about it in another video. The Video Hub is basically they find products for you and they also give you reference content and actual pieces of content like this here or this here that you can use with the actual product. So not only do you get the product, but you also get the marketing to do the content for that product. And you can scroll through here and look at some of these videos and just get an idea of like, will this go viral? Like this video here, visually it's entertaining. For example, you could use this video here with different text on the top of the video and the bottom of the video, basically like a different CTA, a different hook for each of your posts, and just create an account on Instagram that just posts this video with different trending sounds behind it and sells this product. I think you guys get where I'm getting at. So this is a great place to even just come and look for ideas and really don't worry about going viral. The idea is you want to get this type of content in front of the person that would be interested in purchasing this product. And if you click on these products, you can see that you get the full breakdown. You also get the different pieces of content related to the product, right? So you could always throw this stuff into like Nano Banana and start creating your own content around this product. We've also got top ranking products and we've got high profit products. So maybe you're interested in trying to sell something that's a little bit more pricey, then you can check this high profit section. They also have new arrivals, so like new products and trending picks. So they've got all these awesome features here that will help beginners and pros. As you saw, we just broke down like a strategy a second ago. just by looking at one of these tabs. So now let's check out the AI picker, but not just this feature, all their new AI features. If we come over to the top here where it says AI Tool Hub and we click on this, these are AI tools built for every step of dropshipping. So let's click on Explore AI Tools and we'll see this agent pop up here. And this is the AI Tool Hub. You have the options to use the AI picker, the AI store builder for discovery and setup. You also have tools for operation and growth like the AI auto lister, the AI listing migrator, the AI image studio, and the AI listing optimizer. Now, all of these are helpful for anyone trying to run a dropshipping business. So let's click on AI picker first. Think of AI picker as your product sourcing expert. Over here on the left, we've got some options to start working with like best-selling, high profit, rising star. We can source by categories just by clicking here on these options. But let's click on best selling. Here on the right, you can see the products. And if you want to add them to your inventory list, all you need to do is click on add to inventory list. You can even do a bulk add by selecting more than one product and clicking this button here, add to inventory list. In the chat, you can see that the AI picker has broken down why it selected these products. So it says best sellers combine stable sales with strong growth potential. They're a great choice for building reputation, improving market competitiveness, and ensuring sellers have a reliable foundation for scaling. It's giving you the price range. It's got some recommended products and it's even telling us what trend to focus on because we didn't give it much information, but it's given us the weighted vest and the outdoor party tent, which we can also add to our stores by clicking the add to inventory list button. Now this option here says start a new topic. I'm going to click this and we're going to come back to the top. Now if I select high profit, it's giving us the winners for high profit products. And down here it says great choice, focusing on high profit products. These items maximize margins and suit sellers aiming for sustainable growth in competitive markets. It's got the price range and the recommended products. So it makes finding products very, very simple. Let's do start new topic one more time and we're going to click on rising stars. And again, just like before, it's now given us a new guide, a price range, and the recommended products. Now, if we wanted to access the AI Tool Hub from anywhere, over here on the right, you'll see that there is this little icon that says AI Tool Hub. If you click this, it's opened up the AI Tool Hub again for us, but it's on a different tab. You can see that there are 3 tabs. And right now it's on home. What we have on this home tab is the task and monitoring section. This is where you're going to see any tasks that you set up to be automated and you can monitor them from here. Now, if we click on tools, it'll take us back to the options with all of our tools in the tool hub. I'm going to click here on AI Store Builder. Again, another feature that's amazing for anyone getting started or a pro that wants to test out different products with a new store. So the AI will set up your store in minutes. You can see here that Shopify is selected and coming soon is Wix and BigCommerce. If we click on Start Build, it'll walk you through the process of setting up your store step by step, from registering the account to picking a category to picking a style to setting up your Shopify account, connecting Doba, and then going live. And this takes minutes. If we come down here and we click on one of these options, let's say we want to make a store for pets, and we click next, it's going to let us pick our preferred store style. So the theme of the store, I'm going to click this here and let's do orange. I'm going to go next. And here it's going to walk you through the process of creating your Shopify account to get that store set up. If you have an account, you can just connect it directly. And once you have that, you can connect to Doba and you can go live. Once you have your store live, over here in the right, you'll see that if we click this option, it says My Doba and Stores. If we click on Stores, it will take you to your stores. And this is basically your workspace. If you click on My Doba, if you come down here, you can always just contact customer support or watch one of the tutorials that will walk you through the setup. Here you can see the AI Tool Hub again. We have My Products, so you can see all the products that you've listed. Your orders, so any orders that you make to either purchase orders or store orders or refund orders. Then you have your stores, which is what we looked at before. You can basically manage your stores here. There is a tutorial center, so it'll walk you through step by step, setting everything up.
For those new here, I'm the avatar of John Kelly, one of the minds behind Digital Creator AI. We built this channel from scratch and just hit 100K plus. What we're all about is helping creators, solopreneurs, and anyone building an online brand master the best AI tools, workflows, and strategies. If that sounds like you, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on those notifications. Before we dive in, if you're posting content on Instagram for your brand or your business, you need this tool. I designed a solution to automate my Instagram comments and DMs so I don't have to pay for expensive tools like ManyChat anymore. Just know that for a limited time, I'm letting people get access to this completely for free. The links are down in the description and the pinned comments. Try it out and let me know what you think.
So here we are back on the homepage, and there's still more AI features that we need to dive into. Over here on the right, this Doba Pilot button, I want you guys to click on this. This is Doba's all-in-one AI agent. It's autopilot dropshipping with AI. Here in the center in the prompt input, you can just type out a prompt and start working with the agent. To the left here, there's this drop down. If you click on this, you'll see that it has a Shopify agent, a Wix agent, and a BigCommerce agent. For now, we can leave it on Shopify. Below this, we have some test prompts that we can use. We have store prompts, product prompts, listing prompts, and support prompts. Let's check out this product section here and let me show you what one of these prompts can do. So I'm going to keep the Shopify agent selected and I want to test out one of these prompts. I'm just going to click this one here, the no idea what to sell prompt. That's going to automatically send the prompt to the agent and it's going to get to work. So as you can see, the agent has responded. On the right here, it's opened up a panel that's showing us all the products that it's selected. We asked for 5 beginner-friendly options, and it's given us 20. And if we scroll down, it says if we want to narrow down the search by a specific niche, price range, or target audience, or if any catch your eye, and it can help us list them directly to our Shopify store. On the right, it's also given us AI insights, demand signals, and supplier performance. And let's say we wanted to add all these 20 products to our store. All we have to do is come down here to where it says list selected products now, click on this button, and it'll automatically add them to your store. On the left here, we have our menu. And then at the bottom here, we have the chat history. In the menu, you can see the AI pixels here and also the AI listings that we saw earlier. But there's this feature here called Market Scout, which is new. This is a new agent that they built, so let's click on this and test it out. This agent scouts the trends and sources the winners. If you enter any product category down here, it's going to surface real-time demand, competition level, and profit margins in seconds. All right, so let's use a prompt like one of these examples down here. Let's do clothing, shoes, and jewelry, and let's hit enter. We can see that Market Scout is getting to work. Looks like it's breaking down its thinking here. We can see that it's doing the strategy refinement. It's optimizing the next research path based on current findings. And then down here, we can see all the sources that it's referencing, which is good because we can always come back and check these out. Now it looks like it's doing market research and it's finding different products. If we keep scrolling down, we can see the different products it's pulling up. All right, so it looks like it's finished. Over here it says, great news, market research for clothing, shoes, and jewelry category has been completed, and we've identified high potential opportunities tailored for dropshipping success. The market shows strong demand in women's t-shirts, casual dresses, and everyday bras. Monthly sales volume up to 337K plus units per month. Profit margin of 46 to 58%. Key opportunities lie in low competition subcategories like women's tanks and men's boxer briefs, which offer strong conversion rates, manageable return rates. Avoid high logistics categories like running shoes and heavy jewelry due to shipping costs and high returns. So it basically broke down that market for us and gave us the opportunities and all the data that we would need. And over here on the right, it's got a full executive summary with the market overview. It's got the detailed category analysis, so it breaks down the different categories. We have the market size, the fulfillment, the brands, the sellers, the monthly sales and the monthly revenue, product metrics, the average price, the average rating, the average reviews, the profit margins. It's got the products here, and we can find similar products just by clicking on Find Doba Similar. Let's keep going down and we'll see that it broke down also the men's boxer briefs in the same way with the monthly revenue, the monthly sales, and again, the products down here so that we can find similar ones quickly to start selling in our stores. At the bottom, we have an implementation plan that tells you exactly step by step what Market Scout thinks you should do first. So it says 1, start with the core category. 2, leverage supplier database. 3, optimize listings for trust. And 4, monitor seasonal trends. It says by focusing on the recommended categories that align with the dropshipping model strengths, logistical simplicity, healthy margins, and stable demand, you can build a more efficient and profitable business. It's giving you this whole breakdown with research and a strategic implementation plan. You can also convert this into a PDF and share this information with your audience or with your team. just by clicking here on download PDF. So as you can see, Doba can help you from start to finish and then scale and grow your business with all the tools that it has. The last thing I want to check out is the 2026 mid-year Growth Carnival that's currently going on at Doba. If we click here, we can see the pricing plans. Each of these plans is tailored for a different stage. For example, if you're a beginner, their basic plan can help you get started. It gives you 2 store integrations, 250 one-click product listings, 450 product downloads monthly, 600 inventory list capacity, and they're giving you this bonus growth kit, which gives you a masterclass, adds 500 listing capacity, 30 AI auto listings, and specific featured product selections. So this plan will save you a bunch of money, and it's perfect for somebody that wants to start a serious dropshipping business. Now let's say that you're running a dropshipping business, but you want to take it to the next level and you want to use tools like this to scale quicker. The standard plan here actually gives you 5 store integrations, 1,000 one-click product listings, 2,000 product downloads monthly, 3,000 inventory list capacity. So you get more than enough resources to really scale your business, and you get the Elite Expansion Pack, which comes with extra credits for Doba Pilot, an extra 1,000 listing capacity, and an AI listing migrator. Don't forget that the links to Doba are down in the description and the pinned comments. Make sure to try their mid-year promo where you can get a 7-day basic plan trial for 99 cents or their 5-day standard plan trial for 99 cents, plus the bonus packs that we talked about for a limited time. Make sure to use the link down there, grab your trial, load up on the bundles I showed you, and see how Doba fits your business. I hope that video was helpful, and also don't forget, if you want to turn your content like the video we made today into an actual online business, you're going to need marketing and you're going to need systems. So for a limited time, I'm hooking up my viewers with a free Instagram DM and comment automation tool, so you don't have to pay for expensive apps like ManyChat. You'll never miss another comment or DM on Instagram. I'll personally set it up for you and show you how I use it to get leads while I sleep. If that sounds like something you need, the links are also down in the description. Sign up and let me know what you think. Now, if you're interested in taking your AI generated content to the next level and making sure your hooks, scripts, and copy sound authentic and human, then watch the video showing up on the screen. Make sure to subscribe, turn on those notifications so you don't miss the next AI tool workflow, and I'll catch you all in the next video.